am ffosgi sel weithiau fydd yn hawlol i gael weithiau fydd yn agrau yn y mynydd i ond gweld i ond yn oed a ddynedd because nobody has before. I want to hear you shouting and crying out for more. And we were singing hymns and arias, land of my fathers, and in the Lord. I travelled here from Denby, and Denby is very far. I thought of coming on the bus, but I came here by car. I share the driving with a wife, like I share everything we own. Like I share everything I own. No, because I do the driving here, and she does the driving home. And we were singing hymns and arias, land of my fathers, and in the north. I called in Tavan Bach Pontchartrain tonight. Oh, what a bloody haul. There's only 2 men working there, the rest are on the dole. But in came a girl with a miniskirt, black boots. She wasn't wearing a bra. She said, have you seen Ken Top Boots? I've left my knickers in his car. What's a great Thank you, I got that. I called in a Tavan Bach tonight.
Ma'r motorbike.
What a bloody haul. There was only 2 men working there. The rest of them on strike. And a motorbike. And we were singing hymns and arias, land of my fathers, and he the Lord. I'll do my best for you tonight. I can't do any more. And maybe if you like me, you give me an encore. Do you have regret it for you? I'll do my best for you tonight. I can't do any more.
Until 1 o'clock tomorrow.
And maybe if you like me, you'll give me an encore. But if you don't, I know I failed and I'll never be a hit. But to be honest with you, I don't give.
Sweet
And we were singing hymns and arias, land of my fathers, and he the North. And we were singing hymns and arias, land of my fathers. I will, yeah, I'll be going with. And he